Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Gmail name. So first of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon, go to Google account. After that, click onto personal info, and now shown here your all information. Select the name, and here you can easily change name or username. Tap onto pen icon and customize your name then finally click on to save. Then successfully change your Gmail name. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.